Okay, so is your part printable? Is your fidget spinner printable? Here is an example of one that is not. So let me turn this in. Couple problems here. One, this bearing hole size is not correct. Two, this nut or weight hole, this might be correct, but because it's not measured from flat side to flat side, I don't know. And then the third problem is actually down here. The 3D printer cannot print in mid-air. So where this is raised off the ground, one, it makes it weak, but two, it's just kind of a recipe for disaster. Now let's take a look at another one. Here we are measured from flat side to flat side, but this is the wrong size again. Also the bearing hole is the wrong size. This can't be printed. At least it is smaller than 4 inches, 4 inches. Okay, also wrong front view. PDF would get a 50%. Alright, another size. Now, this one's pretty good. Followed almost all the directions. It's going to have to be edited just a little bit. But if we zoom here, this piece right here, the wall of the fidget spinner would be so thin, it would be about as thin as a piece of paper. It would break very easily. So this student just had to go back to the drawing board and make it just a little bit thicker. Not a big deal. But other than that, it looks like a good fidget spinner. Followed all the directions. All the sizes are good. Now, these walls should be about 0.1 inch. That's actually quite hard to measure here in the PDF or the dimension drawing. So we actually have to go all the way back to our drawing. So this is going to be up to you to figure out if this is big enough. So here on sketch 1, I'll go all the way back here, and I can go to dimension, and it will tell me, okay, that's bigger than 0.1. That is good. All right, let's go to a different one. I'd like to mention again somewhere else that looks thin, like maybe here. Okay, that is 0.12. That'll be just big enough. So to give you an idea of what 0.1 inches looks like, let's go back, regenerates. That is about what 0.1 inches looks like, right? So it looks very different. So the idea there is that you just have enough plastic so that when you drop this or try and press these bearings or weights in, it's just not going to break. Okay. Quick review of checklist. Is your object printable? 1, it's less than 4 inches in diameter, so check your length. Check your height. Let's go here. Check your length. Check your height. Check your bearing size. Your bearing size should be 0.874, and your weight size should be 0.442. Other than that, just look for anywhere where it looks like it is too thin. So here, if I go into drawing, I can try to measure that, but this is not a good design. It's just too thin here. All right. Have a great day.